So guys, for the first method, you want to check your display cable connection. Make sure that it's properly plugged in. Make sure that it's not hanging out or anything like that. Make sure that it's plugged in properly. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on accessibility. Now you're going to find color filters. You're going to click on this. You're going to scroll down. Make sure that you have color filters turned off. Also, make sure you have keyboard shortcut for color filters also turned off. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have your correct monitor selected. Now you're going to scroll down till you get to scale and layout. Make sure that you have your scale on the recommended option. Make sure that your display resolution is also on the recommended option. And make sure that your display orientation is correct. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I've got the NVIDIA app. And then once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. Now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully this will not fix your problem.